To disable the seatbelt chime on 2009 and up Ram trucks with keyless entry, in the truck, seatbelt on, going to turn the key to run by pressing twice until run lights up. Going to wait for the truck to boot up. Once everything is booted up, going to unbuckle and rebuckle the seatbelt 3 times. Going to turn the key to off. That chime indicates that the seatbelt warning is no longer enabled. To reverse the process, to turn back on the seatbelt chime, do the exact same 3 steps that we just did. Key on, seatbelt 3 times, then key off. Thanks for watching.